Okay guys, so I am here early, real early today. It's daylight out this joint, but it's like 7 something. Wait a minute, let me turn the camera. So you know at night that will be, I'm right across from the Ion Park. I'm gonna put some pictures too of the ride at night, but this is in the daytime because this is my first time arriving in the daytime. The reason why I got here early is because the last 2 times that I came, I've been having to wait for a table and sometimes not even getting a table. So, you know, I just rode by myself. So they were like, they don't give me no table. So I had to sit at the bar. But listen, guys, the COVID cases are rising in Florida. So, hey, I'm trying to be cautious out here in these streets. Okay, guys, fight night. Guys, so I got a table. Oh my goodness, it took about 30 minutes. But I'm here. I'm in here. Of course, it has started. This is the first match of 4 on the main card. It's not too busy right now, maybe later. Go time! Okay, guys. Is he hurt? He may be hurt for real. Is he hurt? I feel bad if he hurt. You don't know where he at, what time it is, what day it is. Guys, I'm just making a quick video. Look, I hope I don't spoil it for somebody who didn't see the fight, but Rolly got knocked out, okay, in the 6th round. I'm so glad that he got knocked out, down. He talked so much shit and so much trash for so many months. I'm sick of him. Like, I don't want to hear about him no more. I'm so glad that Tank just put the period on that thing. Now, I hope he's okay, because he was a little wobbly and holding on to his daddy. I hope he's okay, you know, but he just talked so much trash. Had me, oh my goodness, like I was in the ring. Okay, y'all, bye. Good morning, guys. On my way to the beach. Guys, still not there. The traffic is very heavy, okay? I'm like less than 2 miles away, but it's looking like it'll be like 45 more minutes. But I don't care. I don't have nothing but time. Yes, I'm here. So excited. This is the bathing suit I chose. I didn't put my little umbrella up yet, but I have one of those gravity chairs, my little wagon, and this is if I want to lay down. And I got my little cooler right here. I'm going in, guys. But I'm not going to go all the way in because I have my phone with me. But believe me, I'm going in. The water is beautiful. I'm hoping to see some dolphins. Last time I came, there was some dolphins in the water. So hopefully I see some. And if I have my phone at that time, I'll make sure to get them on here. But I don't know yet. I don't know yet, guys. Let me turn the camera around. Can I turn around? I can't go in with my phone. Woo, this water feels so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, I have to take my phone back then so I can get my swim on. Too bad I don't have a camera person so y'all can see me in action. From this Macintosh. He's swimming. Okay, guys. Guys, this water feels so good. Oh my God. I wish I lived right here at the beach. I'm telling you right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Anna Marie Island.